Long-armed feather stitch is a nice variation to feather stitch, and it's worked in almost the same way. I've got 3 lines for guidance, and the needle comes up a little way down the centre line and then reaches up to the top of the right hand line to create a longer stitch. Leave a loop as you pull the thread through and bring the needle up in the centre again, a small stitch length from the starting point. Pull the thread through to create the first stitch. Now take the thread down on the left hand side, using the centre as a guide. Take the needle down a little higher than your starting point, leave a loop and return to the centre again to create the stitch. As you alternate the stitching from side to side, each new stitch reaches a little higher than the centre point of the previous stitch. Continue the line until it's as long as you want it, and then place a small anchoring stitch in the final loop before you secure it on the reverse. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.